Can DACA recipients get advance parole for travel? Have you ever wondered if individuals protected under the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals policy can travel outside the United States? This is a common question among DACA recipients. The answer is yes, but there are specific conditions to meet. Advance parole is a special permission granted by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. It allows certain non-citizens, including DACA recipients, to leave the country temporarily and return legally. However, this permission is not given for just any reason. It is typically approved for urgent humanitarian needs, educational purposes, or employment-related travel. Unfortunately, travel for leisure or vacation is not an option for DACA recipients. To apply for advance parole, a DACA recipient needs to fill out Form I-131, which is the application for travel document. In this form, they must clearly state the reason for their travel and provide supporting documents. For example, if the travel is for a humanitarian reason, medical records may be required. If it is for education, proof of enrollment in a school or program is necessary. Each application is reviewed individually by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. It is essential to note that receiving advance parole does not guarantee reentry into the United States. When returning, Customs and Border Protection officers at the port of entry will inspect the traveler and decide whether they can come back. This means there is a possibility that a DACA recipient could be denied entry, even with advance parole. Traveling with advance parole can also have immigration benefits. For instance, if a DACA recipient entered the United States without inspection and then travels abroad, returning with advance parole may allow them to be considered, inspected and admitted or paroled. This status could make them eligible for adjusting their status to apply for a green card, but this depends on meeting other requirements and not having any disqualifying factors. Before applying for advance parole or planning any travel, it is crucial for DACA recipients to consult with an immigration attorney. Factors such as prior removal orders or unlawful presence can affect their eligibility and ability to return. Traveling without the proper advance parole or with unresolved immigration issues can lead to serious consequences, including being barred from reentry. For many Black immigrants under DACA, navigating the advance parole process can be particularly challenging. They often have strong cultural and community ties that make travel for family, education, or work essential. However, they must carefully manage these journeys within the constraints of immigration law to protect their status. Understanding advance parole is a vital part of their immigration journey and helps maintain connections to their heritage while pursuing opportunities in the United States.